Today, we're trying to open our, what's this?
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate. Are you sure about that? What's in Dubai chocolate?
Chocolate.
What's in Dubai chocolate? Chocolate.
It's green stuff.
It's green stuff. Why it's green? It's because it's with milk with Kadayif and pistachio cream. Look at it. Look at it. Look on the side. Look on the side. So this is made in Dubai. Is it made in Dubai?
Yeah.
How'd you know? Where it's written? It's
Look.
written made in Turkey. But it's written made in Turkey. But it's from Dubai. Not Turkey, the animal, okay?
The
Turkey, the country.
Okay, can we open them now?
It has energy, 465 calories, fat, 27.6. Show it to them. Ganun. Yan. Down. We have carbohydrates, 49.2 grams. We have sugar, 37,053 grams. Fiber, 2.9 grams. Protein, 9.33. And salt, 0.3 grams.
Okay, can we open them now?
Can we open? Let's just open one.
Open this one.
Yeah, show it to them. So we open it from the back. Open it, open it, open it. Need help?
No.
Wow, it's like a gold bar.
Wait.
What is that?
Open.
It's written Dubai chocolate.
Wow, I see it.
Open it from here. Let me do it.
Okay.
Wait, let me do it.
A piece dropped, I think.
Whoa. See the colors?
Yeah. Fully take it
And
out.
wait, don't break it yet. See the colors. It has
Yellow.
how many bars? It's
4.
kind of gold. It's with gold with green. And how many bars? You count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Break
Smells
it.
good. Oh, I want to break it.
Break it. Whoa! Show what's inside. Show what's inside. That's the inside. And break one more, Kian. Wow, that's the inside. Can you break what's inside it? This one, break it into half. Oh, let's see if there's a pistachio. Show it to them. Can you see it?
This is good.
Taste it. Taste it.
Yeah. Ate, ikaw na.
Taste it. How does it taste like?
Good. Tastes good.
Yummy. Let me try.
It's really good.
What's
It's not
that?
like
What's the difference between Dubai chocolate from any other chocolates?
This, it has colors on it, and it has pistachio inside of it. And I don't know how much money it costs though, but I heard it's like super expensive. And then for regular chocolate, you can buy it at any store.
But with regards to the taste, what's the difference?
Good.
There's like a texture that you can, whenever you bite.
It has crunch inside.
How about you, Kiam?
Okay.
How does it taste?
Good.
Yummy? Do you recommend them to buy the Dubai chocolate?
Yeah.
Pengi daw si Kuya Dubai chocolate. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.